Hello guys, it's me, Dia! And this is my farm. Come with me, I'll show you. This is really cool, beautiful view for my farm. I'm a little bit hungry. Some cake and juice. And let's pick some food. Vegetable. This leaves are so good. This is good. Hi, I'm Miss India. And let's dancing. It's so yummy. I'm gonna put it here. Vegetable. I'm gonna do vegetable. Album again. Let's try it over. Wow, another vegetable. Wow. Oh, it fell down. I like a kangaroo. The big hop hop hop. I love my mommy. I love my mommy. Happy visiting my farm. Now it's time to go home. I like visiting my farm. Bye, see you again. I love you guys. Bye, see you again.